Good evening, my dear friends. I am Dr. Ravi Kumar from Freedom for You Foundation, which is NGO which has been there from December 2000, August 2010 onwards. Though we used to use the name even prior to that, 3-4 years prior to that. So we came to know about GuideStar about 3.5-4 years ago, and most of our trustees are all from good background. That we have always been in a good corporate sector where the transparency, accountability, everything we have been following. So we wanted to follow that. So we said, let us go into GuideStar. They are giving a free portal. Let us enter all the details. It will be useful for people who are our stakeholders. At the same time, it will be useful for us also. Later on, they announced GuideStar, that is the gold and platinum rating. We thought we'll be getting only gold. I mean, in a sense, truly speaking, because the very first time introduced in a country, and there are so many big NGOs working for last 50 years, 40 years also. And we found out that it was a very easy task because almost everything was there, except that we never bothered to get an appreciation letter from our donors. Which 2 letters they wanted, we gave them 4 or 5 of them. From all our individual donors, corporate donors. And we were very happy to get the very first time in 2014 December, the very first platinum award valid up to 2015 December. That gave us, boosted our confidence in such a way that nothing less than platinum we should get, or better than platinum if at all there is one. They are going to launch. We should be aiming for that. It is easy, my dear friends. You can, all the GuideStar portal NGOs can get platinum award, provided you believe in the work that you do. The passion in which you execute the work is not more than enough. It is the transparency and accountability, compliance of tax and other statutory regulations in the country. This is very important. And how do we use these logos? When we got the logo in the month of February 2015, when it in a very big World CSR Congress they announced, we got the very first time. And immediately in April, there was this Nepal Bhukam आया था ना, उसमें many other NGOs have gone. We don't want to crowd the place. We said we will send material what is required. About 88 cartons, big and small cartons we sent. And we in India, we know what the NGOs are doing. But we should know that we have the NGO, the material which goes there, they should know that it has come from a reputed NGO, which is rated NGO. So we put on all the cartons, on all the sides, visible sides, we put our platinum rating logo. We put it. Then we say where all we can use. We use on our letterheads. But some of the letters we already printed, thousands of them. Then we make stickers. In each letterhead, below the date, after the name size, there is always a gap. Below the name, we put the sticker, transparent sticker. Only this logo will be visible. And we put it on our visiting cards. And now Chennai floods, we use again on the cartons, everywhere wherever we can use it. And we flashed it on our WhatsApp group, our Facebook, our emails to all our stakeholders, including donors, including friends, including relatives who could be future potential donors. By looking at the logo and the rating of the logo, and there are only 19 NGOs have got Platinum Award, we flash that also. You can see this list and connect the link, it goes there. And now in the month of March they have announced that the champion level Platinum NGOs, that is we are the first. We are very happy about it. That also we said, this link is there, please go and see it. We send it to all the companies, the MDs, all our CSR partners, stakeholders, our own donors. Then in the month of December, in the month of November and December, Global Giving we participated. Only 3 NGOs were selected from India. The Global Giving is a really challenging exercise. Everyone should undergo. Then you will know how to present your case. What is the story you want to write? You will come to know about that. Global Giving, when we said we are rated NGO from by GuideStar India, they are very happy about it. Much more due diligence they do on the other aspect which more than GuideStar has already done. They only check the other details. They said yes, you qualify for our International Winter Crowdfunding Challenge 2015. There were 39 NGOs world over, only 3 from India. The number 1 was clicked by a NGO from India only, from Ahmedabad. We were ranked number 10. Despite, out of the 5 weeks, we worked only for 1 week only, because we were in Chennai during the Chennai floods. In that 1 week we could collect about 82 donors. We were ranked 10 all in the entire world in the challenge on the number of donors. If only the Chennai flood did not happen and the last minute our gateway failed, the credit card gateway failed, we would have been in the number 4 among the number of donors, frankly speaking. But now, even now the site is open. Anyone who wants to donate, you can go and donate, because we have become a leader there. Leadership position we have got. That there is also a level like gold and platinum. We have a leadership position. Next, we are expecting a super. Next 2 months, we'll be going to the highest level in global giving, and we also want to be ambassador. Like she said, there's one person in Bangalore who is there for global giving. We also can become one of the global giving motivators to other NGOs to follow suit, to guide them how to go into global giving UK. And now we are only falling short of $600, which we are very confident of raising. $5,000 if you raise, automatic registration goes to global giving USA, where the US donors also can give. So this is what our aspirations are. We are doing it very well. Now, using this, how was it useful to us? More than flashing our global on our letterheads and visiting cards, we have been contacted by many of the newly launching websites, which she showed in the morning, like Small Change, like Dhan Utsav. They're already talking to us, sir, we want to portray yours, free of cost, we will portray your projects. Give us 5 projects or 3 projects. We have given 5 projects now to them. It may be coming in the month of May, they'll be launching, this month they'll be launching. And many of the corporates wanted rated NGOs, because they don't have time. They don't have a full-time person in the CSR. They wanted. So when we do the work with good passion, organizations like GuideStar really boost our position. So we have become most preferred partners in progress for many of the CSR projects and many of the CSR companies. So I wish all of you a good luck, and we are in the right hands of all the employees, not only Pushpa, everyone along with her team, really golden hands they have, a lot of patience they have. Even we working in slums, we have to work without ego. Then only you are fit into the social sector, social developmental sector. But I tell you, the kind of patience, all the employees, all the 6 ladies plus 2 guys are there in this GuideStar, they have a lot of patience, they follow up, they give, please give me this document, please give me that document, this is the way it has to be done. Amazing work you are doing, you are in the right hands, not in the government hands. So you all can get a gold and a platinum within the next coming year and the next year. All the best to you all. Thank you.